Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install EA Sports in your laptop or PC. For that, first of all, open any browser in your laptop or PC, then search for Steam. Then open this Steam link. On the right side, you will see a search bar. Click on that and search for EA Sports. Here you can see EA Sports. Click on that and scroll down. You will see Add to Cart option of Buy EA Sports FCTM24. Click on Add to Cart and now View My Cart. Here you can see I have added other games as well in my cart, and football EA Sports is here. Now simply click on Sign in to purchase and then you will be further processed to payment method. In this way you can download your EA Sports 2024 in your laptop or PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.